YouTube is introducing a new feature, has already introduced for a number of select individuals. This is one that I have just wanted for a very long time. I don't even know if we talked about it on this show before, but it's there. It's coming out. We are talking about the loop button. Whoa. You can finally take a video or song and just wait a sec. Oh, whoa. Easy on the expressions over there. You got a problem with this?
Don't they have this already?
No, they never had that.
You right click on the video loop? Is that what are we talking about?
What are you talking about?
Oh, what?
What is right click loop? Show me right click loop. How dare you?
I mean, come on. Yeah, right here.
Okay, do it. What happens? Click it.
Well, it loops after it's
okay.
done
Go to the end. Let's verify this right now. It's only going to loop once. It's not going to loop.
Are you sure?
What, you think it's going to loop indefinitely?
That's what the loop feature is, right?
Okay, do it. Okay, let's do it right now. Do it live. Do it right now, then.
Oh, we have a minute to go. But
what you mean a minute? Oh yeah, fast forward.
Skipping, yeah.
Let's do it right now. We'll get to the bottom of it once and for all for the people out there. So you get to the end of this video. I don't doubt that it's going to loop once, but I don't believe it's going to loop indefinitely.
There you go.
Yep, go to the end now. Oh, you know what? If this ends up working, which we're finding out, this captivating moment right here.
Oh, look at that. What happened there?
It will loop indefinitely.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've never used the feature on desktop, but certainly the feature has not been there on the app. There's no right click. There's no right click loop. So that must be why I'm confused. I've never actually looped on the desktop.
Oh, so this is for mobile.
For the app.
Oh, okay.
For the YouTube app. But I was curious about the other thing as well, which is why I wanted to see if it actually worked, which shout out to Willie Doo for enlightening all of us. Just do the right click loop if you're in Chrome. But actually, Will, even in the YouTube Music app, up until recently, the loop function wasn't there, depending on the source.
Oh, right.
Anyway, it's rolling out to more people now. A proper loop button for mobile. The button was first spotted by Droid Maze several days ago, but it seemed to be a super limited test. It's rolling out to more people now. You can see what it looks like there. So it's actually hidden inside of the, well, not hidden, but it's inside of the menu that pops up for video quality and other features, as opposed to being buried via right click or whatever you have to do on Chrome. And this is in the app. So if you enjoy like a soundtrack or you like a whatever, shout out Chilled Cow or something like this.
Yeah.
And you you use the app or you use mobile mostly to listen to it. Now you can have it just continuously play and loop over. And this is also useful if you're really into a particular song at a moment. You know, it's a short song and you want it to just play over and over again. It's in there. And apparently not everybody has it, but it's rolling out to even more people. Yeah, here you go. It's curious that YouTube hadn't implemented it yet on mobile. Even on the web, it already exists. It's hidden under the right-click menu. So even on the web, they don't really want you to do it. Because
it's not in the
cog
menu.
Yeah, why wouldn't they put it there if they cared to have you use it? It's really interesting. I mean, they've got loop along with copy debug info and stats for nerds. Like it goes to show you how much they care about it. But really where it needs to be anyway is on the app, because that's where you're likely to be listening to music. That's where you're more likely to be utilizing the feature, at least for me.
Yes, I agree.
Which is the reason I was shocked when you're like, I'm looping over here. Are you looping? Well, you're looping. You're loopy.
All of the above.
Yeah. Anyway, go ahead. Go on your mobile app. See if the feature's there for you. Hit the little cog and see what you see.